Hungry for a quick bite? Let's make onigiri faster than you can say delicious. Start by seasoning your hands with a little salt to keep that sticky rice in check. Grab a nice handful of cooked sushi rice and flatten it right in your palm, like you're giving it a little spa treatment. Now plop your favorite filling in the middle. Pickled plum for the bold, grilled salmon for the warriors. Or maybe some seasoned seaweed for the sea lovers out there. Next up, it's shaping time. Press and mold that rice into a ball or a trendy triangle, making sure it's packed tighter than a Tokyo subway. Feeling fancy? Wrap that bad boy in a strip of nori seaweed. It's like a little black dress for your onigiri. And just like that, you're a sushi chef. Repeat with the rest of your rice and fillings, then serve these cute bites at room temp or chilled. Snack time never looks so good. Thank you all for joining me in the kitchen today. Remember, the heart of every great recipe is the love you put into it. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!